Matt, back here in the Weather Center, the storm has wound down quite a bit here in town, but it's not over yet, and it's still snowing actually fairly decently to the north and well back to the west of town.
Yeah, we'll look at that on radar in a moment here. Just to kind of bring you up to speed, a lot of people wondering how much did we get? Well, it's kind of melted and settled a little bit, so it's not going to be a true sign of what really happened earlier this morning. But last report I saw, at least Norfolk 8, in some cases close to 9 up there. Emily's been doing live shots from Fremont. She was talking 7 and said locally 8 or 9 there, and I believe it because they've continued to have some moderate to heavy snow here at times, even after it's been done here in the immediate metro, out at the Weather Service Valley near 6. And in the metro itself, about 4.8 to about 6.8. Those are kind of the numbers I'm seeing, the range. So we'll say 5 to about 6. It does appear we may get a little bit more as we head through the afternoon here. Outside live, once again, there's the snow. We have warmed to 36 degrees. East winds 31 gusting to 41. So the wind continues to be a huge factor with this weather system. And once again, as we check our forecast map for the afternoon, you'll notice the upper level part of the storm kind of pinwheels back and spins in here just a little bit. And that should generally give us at least a little more snow, I think, this afternoon, this evening. And then it's all gone as the storm moves out as we head towards tonight.